In this module, we will discuss about introduction to the web development. So first of all, we will learn what is website. It is a collection of web pages that are accessible through the internet. So it contains text, images, videos, and other contents connected through the hyperlinks, and it is stored on the web server. We see from social media to e-commerce, everything was connected to website, whether it was college or shopping commercial or e-commerce websites, everything was related to websites only. Websites have become essential in our daily lives, helping us with everything from shopping or shipping, tracking addresses, orders, and many things, and to managing everyday tasks like to-do list, etc. Internet plays a crucial role in the working of our websites. Let's understand the working of internet with a simple restaurant example. Imagine you are a customer visiting a restaurant. Here you play the role of client, the one who wants to place an order. So you are the client, the menu itself is like a website, and when you enter the restaurant, the waiter comes to you take the order. He was like a HTTPS request, and kitchen is the server. So the waiter who is a HTTPS server who securely takes it to the server. So server means the kitchen. The kitchen processes your order and give it back to the waiter. Finally, the waiter delivers your order to your table, just like the server sends back the requested web page or data to the client through HTTPS request. So this is the working process of internet in the purpose of websites. So you can simply understand by the restaurant example. So let's see what is the difference between the front-end and back-end and the both combined like full stack. So front-end means what the user sees and interacts with the computer. So this is the front-end, which is structured with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React languages. So sometimes Nest.js language also used. So the purpose of frontend is to visualize your data in an attractive manner of user interface by utilizing the frameworks like React, Nest.js and other technologies. Meanwhile, backend is used for the managing the data, like sending request and response and making use of the data in an efficient manner. So it is all the behind the screens. This operation can be done in the behind the screens, which is not visible to the user or the client. Apart from this, we have something like a middle end, which acts as a bridge between the front end and the back end. So that's why I call it a server which is connected through the back end and the front end. To quick start our web development process right now, we need some essential tools like VS Code and GitHub, which are very useful in the process of learning web development. So we need to install the VS Code in the browser. Just type it and download the VS Code for Windows. So if you are Mac user, then Mac install for the Mac purpose. So we need to install some plugins like ES7, which are very useful in the purpose of practicing JavaScript and React.js like this. So then we have live server. For live server, we need to install the live preview plugin. So it is very useful for the HTML and CSS combined files for getting the output instantly. So these essential plugins are required. So in the next module, we will learn about what is HTML, its tags, elements, attributes, headings, paragraphs, and tables, lists and forms. What are the semantic tags, everything in the next video. Stay tuned, and more bytes of knowledge coming your way in the next video. Thank you.